Welcome to CSR Action News. Tonight, we traveled to Long Cane Middle School in LaGrange, Georgia to hear an exciting story about a GreenpowerUSA program, where students design, build, and race electric cars. This is Cougar Strong Racing 000, and this is their road to Talladega. Now, let's head over to Maylee, who's at the Cougar Strong Racing garage for an up-close look at the team leading the national standings in the intermediate modified division.
The journey to the F24 National Championship is no easy feat. The 000 has been gearing up for months. The team has dedicated countless hours to refining their F24.
As we prepared for this season, we rebuilt the 000 car from scratch. Then we had a driver's competition and selected jobs for each team member for organization and efficiency in achieving our goals.
Our initial strategy was to spend most of our time creating and perfecting the team presentations for each race. Our remaining time was focused on our pit crew preparing the F24.
The 000 team has set an A-race calendar for this season, which is expensive, so they developed a two-pronged approach to funding their Green Power program.
The majority of our budget comes from our 5-level sponsorship program, which accounted for over $13,000. Our most common sponsorship level is silver, which is $500. We have 12 silver sponsors this year.
Our secondary funding method is our Got Your Back t-shirt fundraiser, which accounted for almost $7,000 this year.
Cougar Strong Racing has been on the road all season to compete in these races.
We participated in 7 events leading up to Talladega, placing first at 6 races and second at 1. The 4 races used to qualify for Talladega were the Kia Fall Classic, Santa Sprints, Chocolaca Park Grand Prix, and Indian Trail, each offering valuable lessons and the opportunity to improve.
We've logged 415 miles during race heats, and we want to reach 475. Our ultimate goal is to secure our 6th national championship for our program and the 2nd for 000. To accomplish that, we need to place top 3 at the endurance race and have one of the best team presentations.
Success in GreenpowerUSA Racing is about strategy, teamwork, and continuous improvement. Let's take a closer look on how Long Cane 7th grade students have developed critical problem-solving skills both on and off the track.
Our team learns from our mistakes and successes. This makes every race a learning experience, whether it's improving teamwork during pit stops or handling unexpected mechanical failures, and that's been the key to our success.
The motor in 000 had over 1,000 miles on it from the previous 2 seasons, so we decided to replace it to ensure that ours would perform just like a brand new F24.
For each one of our team members, this was our first year in the intermediate modified division, so one of our biggest challenges was learning about our split sprocket setup to gear the car based on the elevation change at each track. After each race, we analyzed our performance to improve.
As the team prepares for the biggest race of the season, spirits are high and expectations are even higher.
We put in the work and we are confident that we will perform our best at Talladega.
With 23 teams racing in the modified division at Talladega, the 000 team will have their work cut out for them, as the competition will be the strongest it's been all season.
Best of luck to the 000 team. If you'd like more information about getting involved with GreenpowerUSA, visit the website at greenpowerusa.net.